So, what causes a Massachusetts divorce to take longer than expected? The most common reason a Massachusetts divorce takes longer than expected is an incomplete or incorrect paperwork at the initial filing. There can also be disputes that arise after both parties thought they had an agreement, court scheduling backlogs or delays, certain things that are out of everyone's control, disputes that arise, um, other discovery delays, and one party completely failing to respond or even cooperate in a timely way. So, in contested cases, complexity of assets and custody disputes are really the primary drivers of extended timelines. So, we're going to try to prevent those and work on those. In a 1A divorce, the most common cause of delays is paperwork errors. That's why you don't want to go alone, often from one or both parties without an attorney. If the separation is missing required provisions, the court is going to send the filing back for corrections. Every correction can ultimately add weeks or months. It really just depends. In a 1B divorce, delay can often be tactical or strategic. A spouse who drags out or refuses to engage in good faith, those settlement discussions can add months. Massachusetts courts, though, can impose sanctions for any bad faith delays, and judges do really notice these patterns of obstructions, and they will help mediate that. Court backlogs are real. Filing in a busy county can push hearing dates out further than you expect. Okay, so you filed your 1A divorce in February. The court sent it back to you in March. The separation agreement was missing provisions about health insurance for the kids. Important, right? The fix took just a week. Okay. The delay happened because the paperwork wasn't completed the first time. Let's try to avoid that. This video is general legal information, not legal advice. So why I do this? I really want to take a second before you go because I think about the people watching these videos probably more than you realize I do. If you found this channel, something about your life is likely in transition. Maybe it's your marriage, maybe it's your kids, maybe it's just trying to figure out how to protect what you've built for the people that you love. I know that at this moment you're searching for answers. The last thing that you need is more confusion. I get this, more legal jargon, more people talking at you instead of to you, with you, for you. That's why I built this channel, to give you real answers in plain English before you ever have to call anyone. Here's what I want for you specifically. I want you to walk away from every video feeling like you understand your situation a little bit better than you did before. Not overwhelmed, but informed. Not scared, but maybe ready. Because here's what I've learned after years of doing this work. Most people going through family law situations are not dealing with something impossible, even though, trust me, I know it feels that way. What makes it feel impossible is not knowing what comes next. What this channel is for is exactly for that. So when you do sit down with an attorney, whether it's me or somebody else, you walk in knowing the right questions to ask. You walk in understanding some of your options. You walk in like someone who already has some footing. That is what you deserve. And that is why I am here to help you. The next step. If today's video answered even one question that you've been carrying around, that's enough. Take it and use it. And if your situation needs more than a video can give, my office is just one call or one click away. We sit down with people really every day who are exactly where you are now, ready to move forward and just needing someone to help them see some sort of path forward. The link is in the description. I really hope I hear from you. I'm attorney Lindsey Egan, and I am here to help you.